Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past paper core November series 2021. So we got 360 people go on a school trip to one of four places. Some of the information is shown on in the table. So the total of 360. So first, we got it from here as the total of here is 360. We minus by 37 minus by 163. So we got as 160. Okay, this total for the adventure park is 144. So 144 we minus by 15 minus by 65. So we got as 64. Okay, what else can we get this information? Okay, now we are missing two information. The boys, here it is. The boys, we can get it as the total of 160. So 160 we minus by 65 minus 12 minus 36. So we get as 47. Here is the one missing, the total of 121. So 121 minus by 62 minus by 47. So we got as 12. Okay, here is the missing one. So we got 163 minus 62 minus 9 and minus 64. We got as 28. The missing, so 37 minus 12 minus 3 and minus 15. We got as 7. So here we completed. We find the probability that a girl picked at a random visit the wildlife center. So the total of girl is 163, wildlife is 62. So here is 62 over 163. Next, a person pick at the random from those visiting the botanic gardens. Okay, botanic garden is a girl. So 9 or 24. We could simplify. So we divide by 3 both of sides. So we got as 3 over 8. Next, a person pick at random visit the adventure park, okay, or the botanic gardens. Okay, a person pick at the random adventure park. Where is adventure park? Here it is. 1 out of 144. Or the botanic gardens. Botanic garden is 1 over 24. So here is 1 over 24. We can add. So let's find it. The lowest common multiple of 144 and 24. So the lowest common multiple, 144. Yeah, here is 144. So 1 over 24. We can just multiply it by 6. So here times 6 times by 6. So we got 6 plus by 1. So 7 over 144. Okay, the adventure park. Here is adventure park, 144. Oh, my bad. So adventure park and botanic garden. So adventure park is 144 of the total student 360. Botanic is 24 of the total 360. So 144 over 360. Then plus by 24 over 360. So here is 360. The same denominator. We can just add 144. Here 144 plus by 24, we got as 168. We can divide by 24, both of the number, so we got as 7. And then 360 divided by 24 equal to 15. Here's the probability, 7. Okay, the people who visit the adventure park travel by coach. Each coach has 52 seats for the passengers. Complete this statement. So the total we got 144. Okay, this is so one coach. So this is coach. First we got S52, another coach. We got S52. Here is total of 104. So we got how many the remaining? So 144 minus by 4. We got S 40 here. The last coach will get S 40. Okay, so we need at least the number of the coach is 3. And there will be a total of empty space as the 52 we minus by 40 equal to 12. Okay, the school hires one coach from each of two different companies for the trip to the Red Castle. A coach from the fast track coaches cost 600 plus. Okay. Next, a coach from rapid coaches cost 550. Okay, plus with here is 1.12 per kilometer. So plus by 1.12 x because we don't know yet as the x kilometer. And the next, both companies charge the same amount for the trip. Write down an equation and solve it to find the distance traveled. So here is the distance as they charge the same amount. So first is 600 plus by 0.72x. This is equal to 550 plus by 1.12x. So both of sides, let us minus by 550. So here we got as 50 plus by 0.72x equal to 1.12x. Okay, let us minus by 0.72x both of sides. So we got as 50 equal to, we got 1.12 minus by 0.72. So we got as 0.4x. Then we got 50, we divided by 0.4. We got x equal to 125. So the distance is 125 kilometer. Okay, see the length L kilometer of the journey to the wildlife is 53 kilometer, correct to the nearest kilometer. So the nearest kilometer, the low level of accuracy is 1 kilometer. We make it a half is 0.5. So for the lower, we got 53 minus by 0.5. And the upper is 53 plus by 0.5. Here is 52.5. And upper is 53.5. Okay, and Samira takes 31.5 to spend in the botanic gardens. She spends 2/7 of this money on food. Work out how much Samira spent on food. Okay, Samira. Okay, takes to spend. So 2/7 of 31.5. So 31.5. You can divide it here by 7 both of sides. So 2 we multiply by 4.5. So this equal to $9 for the food. Okay, at the end of the visit to the botanic garden, Samira has 4.50 left. What fraction of her money does Samira spend? Give your answer. So first, Samira got as 31.5. Let's minus it here by the remaining is 4.5 out of the initial money is 31.5. So we got 31 here. We minus by 4.5. So we got 31.5 minus 4.5 equal to 27 over 31.5. Here, let's divide it by 31.5. Yeah, we can divide first by 7. Now we cannot by 7. 27 is 31.5. Okay, let's check it. 31.5. Can we divide by 9? Okay, let's divide by 9 first. So it's gonna be 3.5, and here is gonna be 3. As this is decimal number, let's multiply by 2. So you got as 6 over 7. Okay, number 4. The diagram show pair of parallel. Okay, as this is alternate, so they are equal. So A equal to 48 degree. Okay, next is here is 48. Okay, it's 48. What information can we got from here? Let's find the value of B. Okay, here is parallel. If that is 48, okay, so 48 here also gonna be 48. So the total of one circle, one straight line is 180. So we can just minus it by 48. We got as 132 degree. So here is 132 degree. B, okay, this is quadrilateral. We got 4 sides. So the sum of all of them equal to 360 degree. So let's minus it by 119, minus by 63, and minus by 72 degree. So we got 360 minus by 119 minus 63 and minus by 72. So we got as this angle is 106. Okay, one straight line equal to 180. So we got here 106. So we got as 72 for the x. So x equal to 72 degree. Okay, C. Okay, A, B, C, the point on the circle. Center is O. AC is the diameter. Okay, DC is a tangent. Okay, write down the mathematical name for the line BC. Okay, BC here we call as chord. Explain why angle ABC. Okay, here angle ABC is 90 degree because this is angle in a semicircle. In a semicircle equal to 90 degree. Next, let us find the value of x. Okay, here is we got the information. Here is 46 degree. Okay, and B, O, A. Okay, here's the information that we got. We need to find B, O, C. Okay, so this is 90 degree. So we make it a half. It's gonna be 45. Also 45. Okay, next is to finding the edge is 180. We minus by a moment. Okay, here is the radius. Both of them are the radius. So here is the isosceles triangle. It's gonna be 46 degree. So to find it, this angle is 180 minus by 2 multiplied by 46. So 180 we minus by, here is 292. So we got as 88. Here is 88. Okay, to find it is the x, one straight line equal to 180. So 180 we minus by 88. Okay, so first we need to find the value of x. Okay, so here is equal to 92 degree. Okay, we got it. This is 92 degree. Okay, next find the value of y. Okay, here is 892. Here is the radius and the radius. Here also the radius. So here are gonna be equal. So 92 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. We minus by 92 is 88. Divided by 2 is, so this is 44. Here also 44 degree. Okay, the information that we need to get, we got as A, C, and D. Okay, A, C, D. Let's check it. Okay, here is the tangent. Okay, we got A, C, D. Here is the semicircle. A, C, D. Here is gonna be 90 degree. Okay, here is the 90 degree. Okay, let's use the big triangle. We got here as 90 degree is 46. Let's find it the y. So we got 180 minus by here right angle is 90 degree minus by 46 degree. So we got as 44 degree. Here is 44 degree. There it is. Thank you.